everyone, my name is Aditi Dey and I am a student at IvyProSchool. Today I am thrilled to showcase my latest project, Bill Generator, a powerful yet intuitive bill generation application designed to eliminate manual errors and streamline transactions for small businesses. The foundation of this project is built on Python, which handles all the complex calculation and formatting logic, and Streamlit, which allowed me to deploy this sophisticated backend into a clean, responsive, and immediate web interface. The user journey is simple and structured. First, you input essential shop details, name, address, and phone number, followed by customer specifics, including their name, address, and the precise bill date. For better user experience, the bill date is set to today's. The real intelligence lies in the input section. User can quickly enter product details regardless of capitalization because our system automatically converts all product names to uppercase for consistent professional billing. As items are added, a live preview immediately displays the quantity, unit amount, and the calculated line total. Finally, upon selecting Generate and Display Bill, the system will show the final preview of the bill where shop details, customer details, product details will be shown, and with the total amount which the customer will pay will be shown both in numbers and words for better readability. And after the preview, the user can download the bill by clicking on the Download Bill button. Thank you very much.